Here we are. Got chill water pump, raw water pump. I'm going to take that one there, put it in there. I'll just take the plug out to drain it. Somehow I've got to get the rest of the water out of this. Crack those 2-inch pipes off. Oh, so there we go. And that's what it feeds all that stuff up there. Refrigeration, 3 refrigeration units. Salt water in, the copper lines at the top, and then salt water out, and then you've got chilled water in the bottom there. Chilled out the top. But this is seized, so I've got to go get a spanner for that. Right, wait a sec. Break off, you fuck! There you go. Come on! Fuck off! Son of a bitch! Alright. What's that do? It's the coupling. Alright. My valve. When my valve. No. Right. Hose number 2. Oh. Please. Don't do that. Don't fill it up. Oh, fuck. Get off, you fuck. Aye? You got your thread tape and shit for us?
Yeah, I got thread tape.
What about goo? Oh, cunt. It's slag. No, you can't. This man. Got me fan. Spanners. Fan. Back down into the hole. Oh, Jesus Christ. No, no. Right. Span wiries. I got my seat. Oh, seat. All right. There's some light there. There we go. this is gonna have to slide out. Oh yes. Love it, plan comes together. Right. Cable. No, you're bloody kidding me. Oh, for fuck's sake. Got off. Turn the camera off for excessive abusive squealing and swearing. God. What a bitch. Oh. Wait for new pump. There's new pump. That's over there. Yeehaw. Pump's almost out. That one's gone. I'm gonna fucking... Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna rope on this fucking bump. Oh man. I think I'm doing it the right way, but someone will tell me I'm not. It's okay. Just put more on. Oh, the sump pump works. God. A bit more. Oh, it's much like it. Look. What's this? Oh, Jesus Christ. Fucking person. Fucking. This would be great viewing angle of it. Oh, fuck it, that's what you're getting. Right. Absolutely leaking. You call it plumber. Oh. That way, on my valve. Always gonna go that way. At this point here, I'd realised that the elbow at the other end, the one main valve, was wound all the way in, and it looked like one piece. So when I put all this together, I put water pressure into it, it started leaking out where my hand is now. Cooling fan. Let's put it all apart again, strip it down, change all the thread tape. Where's your biggest Dilsons? No. Make do what you got. Don't worry, I'll get laid a few times today. Oh, that'll do, I think. Right, so I'm gonna get this bit at least rotated somehow. Just put it this way so I get the hose on. But I feel I must have to be able to pump back a bit. Oh, there we go. Get some more thread tape. Right, mate. Yep, this one. Moment of truth. Come on. The elbow that's screwed into the one-way valve, I hadn't noticed it wasn't a permanent feature of the one-way valve. It's actually threaded into it. So that point where my hand is there, where I'm turning it, it just leaks as soon as it goes into the elbow. Come on, give me one more. Yeah, I was a bit screaming off camera there when I found out it was leaking in there. Oh, thank Christ. Not realising. Fuck. This bit here to go. Longer. Didgeridoo. Spit on that thing. Fucking thing. Alright. Camera. You camera? Yes. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Knew you wouldn't beat me, you bastard thing. Where's my fucking spanner? There you go. Now we've got the thing back on, now we're flooding water everywhere. Right. Oh, excuse me. Right, now we're filling up. Pressure gauge. 0. Zenito. Water up. That's enough filling. I'll come back in a bit when she's full. It'll go bleed the damn thing out. Yeah. Tape up our connection. Taped up. Water pressure out. It's still got a bloody leak. So now I've got a leak just there. In that side there. So I've got to take this thing off, that off, and then fill it up with fucking tape. Or else they'll see. Absolute swine. Here it comes. Be careful. Oh, there we go. Oh, fuck. Shield over. Yes, yes. No. Back down in the hole. Oh, geez, so. Right, please God, no leak. Turn it up. Let's go have a look. Where are you leaking from? No? No. Touchy. Cracked it. Yo! Right, turn the lights back on. The power. Right, cruise AC. Clear around. Shake curve. And yeah. Oh, that's the poo pump. Oops. Right. Okay. We'll change that over. Let's go up and start her up. Get out of this hole. Yeah, once we do that. Alright, I've done that. I'll go up and check the fucking controls. Controls. No power. Ouch. What do we got here? AC. Treadmill. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Back online. The damn pump. Change over switch back down there. surface, got the pump going, got the leaks fixed. Absolute mission. Absolute mission. There, my man. Yeah, so all good. We get the shifter out. Still we got the bottom down there. Two out of three. Doing alright. Doing well. So that's it. All fixed. That's a pain, but that's the job.